Today we're going to be recreating expensive wall art from Gallerie. And when I say expensive, I mean wow. It's amazing what they charge you at the stores, right? The original price of these were $599, but we are going to make them for under $10. This is a fun, easy DIY painting project, so keep watching to see how to get the same look for less money in your home. We're going to start with these templates I made. I'll have a link to these below, or you could do a search for them over on my blog, artsycupcake.com. I will create some already designed ones too, just in case you like the looks of them, but you have zero time to sit down and paint these. I really encourage you to try to paint them yourself though, because painting and crafting or doing projects like this is a form of self-care, and it can really help your mind relax when you do just a little bit something creative like this. So you can either trace the templates like I did, or you could tape them down and paint over the negative space. Now, this isn't my first video themed around the Pantone color of the year. I am a full-time graphic designer, so I'm a little bit obsessed with Pantone and color, but this year the trending color has been named as Classic Blue. And these paintings would be the perfect way to add this trending color into your home. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, I want to say welcome to my channel. My name is Maria and I share a lot of home decor ideas, but I also share creative fashion and cupcake ideas too. I post new videos every week, so please make sure to subscribe if you like the idea of being creative in your life. Next we'll be painting, so we want to mix a few paints together. You can get these acrylic paints in various colors at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go with some foam brushes, but if you're going to play around with watercolor, you would want to pick up the more traditional looking paint brushes. I'm using 7-inch canvases from Target, but if you're going to do watercolor, you'll want to grab some watercolor paper and place them in some Dollar Tree frames for another low-cost option. Some of the frames that you can find at Dollar Tree have little mats on them, and you can find white ones just like the ones that are shown at Gallerie. So you can really get close to recreating those $599 paintings. Don't worry about being perfect with your painting, just go with the flow and make this art your own. Being creative is all about relaxing, taking time to yourself, and having fun. So here are mine, which I created for under $10 versus the $600 version. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about mine and if you think they came close. I went into how Pantone chose the color of the year a little bit more in my fashion video, and if you want to see how to use classic blue in your home, then make sure to check out this playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.